Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover your forgotten password on PayPal. So if you've forgotten your password, then make sure you watch this video all the way until the end. And before we begin, just hit that like and subscribe button real quick and let's get started. First of all, you will need to open up your web browser. So go ahead and open it up and then type in paypal.com in the address bar and press enter. This will take you into the official website of PayPal. Now click on the login button at the top right corner. You will be taken into the login screen where you can enter your email address or phone number and your password. Now click on Forgot Password button underneath the password box. You will now be asked to enter your email address or your username. Go ahead and enter either one of those and then click on the next button. This will send a confirmation code into your email address and you will need to enter it in the next screen. Once you do this, you will be able to set up a new password. Make sure to not forget your password this time and then you can use your new password to sign in to your PayPal account. So that is how you can reset your forgotten password in your PayPal account. If you find this video helpful, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.